How to find coupon codes in Secretlabs. Before you go ahead and heading directly straight into Secretlabs and make your very first purchase, whether it's for your gaming accessories and so on and so forth. Let's stretch down your price and find you a working best coupon codes. Now create a new tab, then go into this website. That's going to be simplycodes.com. Simply Codes is giving us out free coupon codes that is still working. And here, just locate the magnifying glass to search for Secretlabs and type in Secretlabs. Very first result right here, we only have 4 codes, but at least we can still use this. Simply click on the first result, and then here you can choose whether that's going to be a $60 off, 15% off, a $30 off, and so on and so forth. Just hit on view code, copy that unique code, and then add it into your um, payment area from Secretlabs. So that is how you find coupon codes in Secretlabs.